another look, and this was inspired by the beautiful Briana Marie. I couldn't put up her picture, but I'm going to leave her link down below. So I'm starting off with a soft transition color, and that is my yellow eyeshadow color from the House of Tara Margaret Ekpo palette, and I'm just using this with a fluffy blending brush to apply this above my crease line, beginning from my crease line and slightly above my crease line. I think I tapped on two colors, so I'll be using the orange and the burnt orange. Next color I'm going to be using is this fuchsia pink on this shade, and I'm just applying this softly on top of the yellow and the orange shade, blending this softly and blend and blend and blend. Next color I'm going in with the Sleek Studio Signature Kit. Guys, I've had this eyeshadow palette since 2013, and I just remembered it after like 2 years. I think I stopped using it in 2016 or thereabouts, or 2015. So I'm just taking the black. I was looking for black in all of my eyeshadow palettes, and I realized that I don't even have any black. So it actually made me go get black eyeshadows after I had filmed this video. I wasn't really getting the consistency I wanted with the black, but hey, I had to manage it that way. So I'm using a smudge brush, and I'm applying this directly on my crease line. I'm blending, I blend, it blends off, I go back again, apply more black and blend. So that was what I was doing basically. To act as an eyeshadow base, I'm using my Milani Secret Cover in Golden Beige 02. This is like a very, very light shade. So I'm just going to be using this to cut my crease and also to serve as a base for the rest of the eyeshadow I'm going to apply on my eyelid. So I'm doing this very careful because I want like a soft at the same time sharp crease, sharp cut crease. Going in with my Glazzi 120 eyeshadow palette. I haven't used this palette in a year. I'm going to be patting that silver color right from the inner corner, around the inner corner basically. So I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to do this. I'm using patting motions. Next color I'm going to be using is this gorgeous green from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be applying this with the flip side of my eyeshadow brush close to the silver I applied. I think there was so much, I had issues with light because my ring light was reflecting on my backdrop and there was no way the light was hitting it, so everything became too bright or too yellow at one point. So I switched into another shade of green on the same palette, but I wasn't getting the result I needed. So I went in back with this green shade from my Tara Margaret Ekpo palette, using the other flip side of the same brush, and I'm applying this on my lid as well. So I'm using my fingers just to blend the black and the green in together. So I'm just patting more colors to be sure I get the consistency I want. So I think that's it for this entire eyes. I think it's a very easy, very sweet and simple look to create. When I posted up on my Instagram, people were like, this is a typical Nigerian's Independence Day look. So I went ahead and did the other eyes, and I'm going to line really quick. I'm going to put false lashes and do the rest of my face off camera. I already had a foundation review because I reviewed the foundation. I'm going to drop the link somewhere in my description box. So I was lining my eyes with white liner first before I went in with my black liner from Kiss Beauty gel pencil liner, and I basically recreated almost the same thing I did on my lid under my eyes. I lost that footage. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, thumbs up and share with your friends. I will see you all in my next video. And if you'd like me to recreate any other look, or you want any video from, I'll try to put up these videos you would like to see on my channel. And before I forget, I'm trying to put up a get to know me tag video on my YouTube channel. Please drop your questions in the comment section below. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.